Coming over here?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. No, you dad.
Oh, what's up?
I just called you Mr. Slingshot.
They call you Mr. Slingshot?
No, I did.
Oh.
He called you Mr. Slingshot.
Oh, you called me Mr. Slingshot?
Dawson.
What was that move?
Find something in your button.
Success! All the way to the fridge in the living room. Good job, bud. Good job. Who's a big boy? Say big boy. Give me a high five. High fives. Yeah, good job. Good job walking out here, or crawling out here. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Or that one. Okay, now go get it. Good work. Tiernan. Tiernan. Boop boop. What are you laughing about? What are you gonna do with the chair? You all done for now? Okay, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Do this. Bye-bye. Yeah, that's close enough.